Kurugurio kwa macini ya kuiga magetha na kurigiriria guthuka kwamo thukuru-ini wa University wa Pan Africa gutanyitwo guteithiriria arimi matanyihiire 350,000 aria matungagwo ni hathara ya guthuka. Kuringana na athunduri, macini ino iri na uhoti wa kuiga magetha mateguthuka na gicunji kia 70%.
Some actually complain about how the losses make them depressing. Most of them, their livelihood depends on them. So we sat down as a team to ask ourselves, how can we help these local retailers? And that is when we came up with our idea, the Zero Box.
Macini ino iruguriirio thukuru-ini wa University wa JKUAT na kuringana na arũgamĩrĩri kuo, arimi matibatie gukorwo na wagagu kuona kuri na mibango ya gutigirira arimi othe maramibatara ni makinyirwo niyo kuria mari.
We know our people, we actually targeting the local retailers, and we know that they don't really have much money at a go to buy. So those that can't afford outright, it's going to be on a subscription base for them. So they will be paying in installments.
Macini ino ethunduritwo riri urimi guku bururi-ini ukoretwo cokete thi, arimi makiurio gwetikira kumihimbiria kuona ndiri na ugwati o wothe na makiria ma uguo no ihuthire hinya wa thitima ona kana wa sora.
We have provided them with funding of up to $5,000 which they have used to prepare the prototypes they have been presenting today. We have also supported them in providing linkages to the private sector, where they're able to interact with private sector partners who are in the same industry with the work that they're doing.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njuguna.